What's up? Welcome to Pinoy Techman. So today I'm reviewing this solar power solar trend. There's a lot of like this in Amazon. It's a power bank with four solar panel. This is the unit. So there's a light here for camping light, USB-C, USB-A, and lightning is connected. So there's 3 ports, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C. So what's nice with this is there's also light here. So you have 2 lights. That's the battery indicator. It's 20,000 milliamp. And when you open it, you will see there's 4 solar panels. So this is the total is around, maybe if it gets sun, they said it will be like 10 watts, but it goes 6.5 watts. So it will charge this 20,000 milliamp maybe 3 days in sun, direct sun without clouds. So you need to think if you want to buy the other portable solar panel, or this is connected to a power bank. That's the advantage. So you don't need to carry a lot of stuff. But if you have your own power bank, then you just buy the portable solar panel. That will be cheaper. So you close it like this. It's a synthetic leather. Then you lock it here. There. So it's a little bit heavy, but it will do. So the power button is here. Only one power button for the front. There's 3 settings: flashing, then strobe. Then when you click twice here, there's 3 settings also: low, medium, and high. So that's it. I'm testing it. I'm charging my fan. So I hope you like the review of this. I think this is good for camping. It's not IPX 67 or higher, but I think this will do. This is the specs here. So thank you for watching Pinoy Techman. Please like for more gadget reviews.